long as you don't let go.
Don't let go. Don't let Give yourself a big round of applause, everybody. Thank you for making it through the session. We're on our 11th session. We just want to thank everybody for coming back. I know it was a long break, but we just want to hear what you guys have learned so far and what you guys did maybe throughout the little small break, and then because we're hoping that whatever you guys learned, you were able to also kind of practice those as well in real life.
Good evening. Yeah, so, life is up. What else I get over it? Talk about music. And and sometimes we take music for granted. Last Friday, Simon ER was there. Singles name, the string band comes, they pull out the guitars, and they will meet up a lot. Singing old Palau songs, new Palau songs.
Yeah.
So you guys are you're in a position where you can be a facilitator again, that kind of atmosphere.
Right.
Said Omar say that together the musicians that were there did not just go to showcase Palau. They didn't come over and entertain, bring us together. Those are team building exercises. So you guys, one of the biggest responsibilities or what you do as musicians is inspire. And so I hope you guys take this program seriously. Your songs, maybe some that maybe in 4 years that they're singing your song at the festival, and people from New Caledonia are dancing to it, or like saying how beautiful it is. Or Mania, what happened on the last day? On the last day, the dancers went and met some other islands and stuff, and they just stand. They brought the instruments and they sang Ikaikaw on the guitar with some other instruments from other places. And it was,
The Australian kid.
yeah, the Australian kid. We met out with them. They made a friend, Chase. He's from...
That's the tall one I was telling you guys about.
Yeah. He's
Turned
from
out to be 16.
Australian. He's Australian from
Chase.
forget what island.
What island?
The Torres Strait.
Altoid.
He's from the Torres Strait.
And his Palau name is Altoid. Altoid. Chase.
Anyways, a point, music has power to do that. So, don't give up. And I'm really proud of what you guys did. Again, your songs are not easy to come up with songs. So, I'm proud of what you guys did, and I hope every person who's ever talked here, from Speech to Cassie to everybody, is giving you something, whether big or small, take all those little things and one day, because that's what the reward for like people like me and or Yonda. The reward for us is to see you succeed. So I hope you take all those things and keep. And I'm available anytime. Thank you.
Okay. So just real quick, we have 3 sessions left. One will be audio recording, and then one will be finalizing your video, and then the last performance will be the live performance in front of all your family.
Dang.
Yeah. We're gonna invite all your family. Okay? If they're not related to you, don't invite them. They have to be related to you by blood.
By water.
But actually, the last performance will be a live performance. with people we'll invite. Okay, so it'll be sort of a presentation of what we've learned and what you guys have done so far. Okay, so 3 more sessions in the next 2 months. Month. In the next 1 month. Yeah. Okay. Does that seem okay, everyone?
Yeah.
Unless you guys want to do August,
Yes.
but some people are.
Unless you guys want to do August, but
A's.
some of us are not going to be here in August. David's not going to be here in August.
And A's.
Ace is going to be off island in
Your
August.
mom. Your mom is going to school too?
I was forced to.
Also.
Naging
Yeah, so they're home.
moratorium na August 11 na.
Ayun.
Ayun, Chi.
Oh, yeah.
Hi!
Halloween na
Ano,
now.
bisa ba? Bisa ba?
Halloween. You're gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be really nice.
I'm gonna miss the
Hey,
workshop.
you got more tomorrow, finish.
Yeah.
And Randy is finishing his degree now,
Yeah.
but he didn't finish then.
At least you're still going.
Alright, so with that said, we're gonna go ahead and set up for a performance right now of each of our groups' songs. So go ahead and do your group song, and then these guys will do their group song. Wait, David's in their group.
That's okay. He's
David.
gonna help them out.
Oh, you're helping me both?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was so crazy. David is not limiting himself to one band.
Alright.
Then RJ will hold the microphone for
Up
you.
first is group 1.
Since there's no microphones.
Palau na yas.
I mean,
And Edward's gonna go ahead and lead that one.
are you ready?
Then after that,
Do you
then
have the
we'll go
lyrics?
to group 2.
Yeah.
You have the lyrics, pull it out.
Yeah, oh, here it is. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry.
I'm really interrupted. I don't know when the verse started.
Oh, yeah.
I need the lyrics.
Yes.
No,
That was good.
I'll send the lyrics anyway.
Her name is Captain Morgan. At least that's what she told me.
Yeah.